Okay guys, I know you read this title and you really want to see the yacht. Now before I bring you to the yacht tour, I want to say something to you. If you've been following me for quite some time now, you probably know that my big dream is to own a yacht. And then I keep on visualizing myself being on a yacht for the past few weeks. Then it's like every single day I visualize, but then nothing happened. Then recently, I get to experience what I visualize. I get to go on the yacht, I get to experience the yacht, I get to touch the yacht, a private yacht that's not open to public, but I still haven't reached the level yet where I can buy a yacht. I'm sorry, I need a moment. Like, I don't have a yacht yet. I can get on the yacht, a private yacht, because I have connections. And this person who owns the yacht is one of the top 10 richest people in the country. I mean, I hope you can still continue supporting me, even though I'm at a level where I cannot buy a yacht yet. I hope you don't be like, Karen, you're a piece of shit. I figured out since I can go on that yacht, I thought to myself, why not I share the experience with you too? So with that said, enough talking, let's go. Gotta bring you on a yacht tour. Let's go. Thank you. The different yachts. This is like the sitting area where you can like sit, enjoy the view. So this is the place where you can sit. Okay, you can sit here and relax. And then you can watch some TV here. You can have some guests here too. Then also, you have a little pantry over here. Okay, and a little dining table over here. And then you have your other driver's seat over here. And then you have your sitting area over here. Then this is the doorway into your master bedroom. Okay guys, this is the bedroom. And then you have your TV over there. This is your bed. You can sleep 2 or 3 people, depending on your size. Then this one is the smaller, I think it's the smaller bedroom. Okay, then here's your TV. And then you have like a separate bed. If you are forced to sleep with your enemy, then this is the bedroom for you. This is the second floor, top view. You have the yacht deck. And then on daytime you can like sit here and then like enjoy the view, because now it's night time. Then you can't really see anything. So this is the second level where you can eat your food, enjoy your dinner. And then if you know how to drive the yacht, this is for you, not for me, okay? Then yeah, this is the small pantry. So this is the whole place. What do you think of the second level? Do you like the first level or do you like the second level more? Okay guys, that's the yacht tour. Before you go, let me just share with you 3 things that you can take away. because this tour really inspired me to work harder on my goals. So that's point number one, keep working hard, don't settle. Don't settle for small goals, aim big, think big. Second thing is, you gotta make friends with rich mother effers. I'm not telling you to be mean to people who don't fit your criteria. What I'm saying is that you still keep your friends who are still not where you want them to be. But I need you to spend more time networking and getting to know rich people. Go out there and network, because it's not what you know, it's who you know at the end of the day that matters most. Then the third thing is, you gotta immerse yourself into luxurious experience. If you put yourself into a place where all you see is luxury, you will change your self-image. You are telling your subconscious mind that, hey, you know what, this is possible for you. Hey, you know what, you deserve this kind of experience. Now, the good news is that you don't need to spend a lot of money to get a good experience. You can just visit a hotel that you really want to live in. Just go to the lobby, buy a cup of coffee, just drink. A lot of things that I feel like it's not possible for me in the past, I still kept visualizing it. For example, the TEDx talk, I visualized myself since I was in my mid-20s, early 20s when I first started becoming a speaker. I visualized almost every single year that I'm going to be a TEDx speaker before I turn 40 years old. Then only recently, earlier this year, we achieved that goal. Believe in the law of attraction, because it's one of the most powerful forces you can take advantage of in this whole entire world. Most people don't do it because it feels stupid to visualize things that is so beyond your reach. But that's the exact thing that's going to bring you miracles in your life. And if other people say it's stupid, then they're the one that's stupid. It's only the crazy people in this world that are willing to dream crazy dreams. If it feels stupid every day, if it feels crazy, just do it, because it just shows that you're thinking big, you're dreaming crazy dreams.